Show me some of that turning. I need to see some turning. All right, way to go, big man. I'm right here with you. Are we going over there? Okay. The snow's deep though, okay?
I'll show you.
Okay. Well, be careful going over there. That snow's deep, okay? See how deep it is? Slow, slow, slow. All right. You remember how? That snow's real deep, Jordan. Is that the jump you went over? It was? Oh no. Uh-huh. Don't you? That's it. You ain't gonna do it again now, are you? You did it, didn't you?
Yeah. That's what a jumper is.
All right.
I gotta go over here.
Okay, I'll follow you. You want me to take that?